Welcome to the Shona Squad learning journey! Let us dive into today's 5 Shona verbs.
Friends, look! There's water blocking our path.
Oh no, how do we cross?
Tinofanira Kusvetuka! Yes! Kusvetuka means to jump.
Kusvetuka! Dindirituka! Kusvetuka! Kusvetuka!
The gate won't open.
Maybe we need to push.
Kusunda! Kusunda!
Kusunda means to push, right?
Kusunda tsunda.
Kusunda! Yes! Kusunda! Kusunda!
Look! The cart is stuck in the sand.
It won't move.
Let's work together! Ningati kweve!
Kukweva means to pull.
Ningati kwe! Tiri kukweva! Kukweva!
Wow, a treehouse.
Let's climb. In Shona, we say Kukwira.
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 To climb.
Tiri kukwira.
This is amazing.
Look! A ball! Let's play! Nindri Kukanda Bora! Kukanda!
Kukanda means to throw.
Kukanda!
This is fun.
Today we learned 5 Shona verbs. Kusvetuka, to jump. Kukweva, to pull. Kusunda, to push. And finally, Kukwira, to climb. Kukanda, to throw. Oh, wait! The next Shona lesson is even cooler. Please don't miss it. Help us grow, like, share, and subscribe to the Shona Squad.